I have had a fruitful meeting with the Archbishop of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Samuel Kajoba.
Good.
Together with bishops and their legal team. And we have agreed as follows, that the Seventh-day Adventist Church members will work on Sunday.
Amen.
Not Saturday, as advised by the President.
Amen.
However, they will have to observe a lockdown of 3 hours from their homes and start church service at 10.
Amen.
Everywhere in the country.
Amen.
After all, it is just one day in a month. And I want to appreciate you, Archbishop, for accepting the President's proposal.
Amen.
And I know going forward, the garbage around the country will come reducing. Eventually, I know Cabinet will sit to come up with another proposal on the way forward.
Okay.
But for now, I want to appreciate you,
Thank you
for accepting the guidance of the President.
These members, keep calm. We are talking with government. Government cannot do it that way. Adventists, we are good people. We are law-abiding. We have never gone on a strike. We don't rebel. We work with government, and we are always praying for government. And I promise the whole country that please wait. We are still talking. And today I'm happy that we are before the Prime Minister of Uganda. We are before government now. And I'm happy to hear that the President, in his wisdom, he said, please let the Bachwanga, the Seventh Adventist, worship on Saturday, and they let them work the following day, that is on Sunday. That was good news, and it is still good news to us. And we promise you that we are going to abide with that.
Yes. Now,
that on Sunday we are going to work, but I want also to clearly state to every church member listening and viewing that on Saturday, let us go for worship. Let us open our churches at 10 for worship. But you can start worshiping at home, but official worshiping should be at 10 all over Uganda. So thank you very much, because every church,
only that day.
for only that day, that last Sunday.
So we want to thank the Prime Minister for meeting with the leadership of the SDA Church in the country, and right from the Archbishop, other bishops and the other leaders, and for allowing the Seventh-day Adventist Church to carry out their cleaning day on Sunday. And for that matter, we shall be ready on the 30th of this month to go and do what we always do, but in this time round, it is motivated by government, and all of us will be there and work on Sunday, but that we are allowed to be in our homes on this Saturday up to 10. We begin our worship, and we want to assure the church, first and foremost, that government believes in freedoms of worship, and also to assure the government that we are fully compliant.
I want to thank you once again.
Amen.